I should just let this play throughout the whole video, y'all, and talk to y'all. How about that? And we can laugh at this. They might. Damn, hold on. Trump with the block. Oh, Trump with the block. Zelensky caught him with a right hook and knocked him the out. Appreciate you for coming through, Colorado. Let's see how. Look, this for all them Trump lovers, Trump supporters. Make sure y'all share this out to your friends. It ain't gonna matter if they demonetize it. But look, it was all over the news. So they gonna say this is reused content. Actually, this is disclaimer. You understand me? Disclaimer, right reviews, able to use for teaching purposes only. Trump is trying to display some form of wushu arts, but clearly Zelensky makes the block. He's hard to move. He has been practicing well. He tries Trump blocks. Zelensky tries again, but then as soon as Trump sit down and goes to talking more shit, that's when Zelensky caught his ass with the right hook. It's your partner. What's good with the people? Ain't nothing, bro. We just sitting up here checking this video. Trump, you got knocked the fuck out. It's a rough road, y'all. I'm talking about even for the president. Trump, next time you try to embarrass this dude, man, he ain't started the war. Look, y'all, this just goes to show you, and I ain't trying to be funny, but for real though, this goes to show you when right is over wrong, good is over evil, for real. Trump was up there talking this smack to this man the whole time. This man like, no, Trump. He got tired of being nice. Trump tried him. He tried to hit him first time. As soon as he sat down, he like, fuck you. Oh, Lord. Trump, you caught an F bomb. So you know that ain't gonna be monetized. Bam. Ooh, wee. Caught him sleeping. Trump, what you said? What you said about a black crime bill? You said you gonna hook us up? Oh damn, you sleeping. Well, apparently that's what a lot of them Negroes think. But hey, who am I to say otherwise? You know what I'm saying? Who am I to say otherwise? This right here clearly shows you. Bam. Clearly, this shows you. Look at how he looking. Look how he looking. Look at his face. Damn. Hold on. Zelensky got fed up. Oh man. Wait till he sat down. Thought he was too comfortable in his own home. Wow. This mean look, y'all. This just goes to show you. This is what I can't look. Is this supposed to be representing America? These are two. Hey, I'm just asking though. How can somebody say that this is fact check? Because it's not we know what happened. I mean, we know what happened. Trump went up there, told Zelensky, you acting like a baby, tried to treat him like a stepchild. Dang, crazy, man. It really is. I guess on that note, y'all, we'll probably end this live because I believe this right here pretty much sums it up. Elon, you better be careful. You better be careful, Elon. Stay safe and blessed. Take care, bro. Hey, same to you, bro. Hey, have fun out there. Peace, love, and blessing. I want to thank everybody that came through. Hope y'all enjoyed the end of this live. Y'all got to make sure you watch it all the way to the end for real. Oh, bam. Look, and on that note, guys, one more knockout. One more knockout, y'all. Yeah, Elon might get the hands next, bro. Bam. And on that note, man, I can't say enough of that. For real. Look, disclaimer, man. Chapter 13 out of control. Look, for real. This AI, y'all. This is the power of AI. You feel me? I'm just letting you know. I'm putting you on game. It's all fun and games. I'm telling you. It's all fun and games. Terminator Rising. Y'all better pay attention, man. Look, I'm up out of here, man. I hope somebody got some out of what I said. For real. Ain't just up on here trying to act no fool for future references.